Today I'll be demonstrating with the Edge Max for the Nikon Z9 camera, but this same setup process applies to all of the Edge Max water housing models. To release the backplate, simply use the safety clips on top and release, and then remove the backplate by releasing from the rear hinge. The next step is to attach the water housing's camera plate to your camera. Simply line the pins up on the rear of the camera and attach via the D-shackle on the camera plate. For extra security, you can use a flathead screwdriver or a coin to tighten the camera plate even further. The next step is to attach the cable release to your camera. Locate that onto your camera, secure, and then slide the camera into the camera plate mount. Now that your camera is inside the water housing, grab your backplate, align over the rear hinges, place over the water housing, making sure that there's nothing interfering with the O-ring on the rear of the water housing. Place both of the safety clips over the backplate, lock into place. Listen out for that audible click, and we suggest going around and just giving them a test to make sure that they have securely closed. The final step would be attaching a lens port with a housing, secure down hand tight, and now you're ready to jump in the water and test it out. We suggest doing the test again without the camera and lens in the first place to make sure that you feel comfortable with this setup process. Once you're happy, you can load your camera and lens and be on your way. If you have any questions regarding the setup process for the Edge Max water housing, please reach out to our trained staff via the website.